Okay, here's a screen recording of me solving lesson 4, 4.1, applying greatest common factor and lowest common multiple to fraction operations. We are multiplying fractions today. Multiplying is just multiplying straight across, so I did 2 times 6, that's 12, over 3 times 7, which is 21, and that one couldn't be reduced, so that's the final answer. Then the next problem, number 2, I did 3/4 times 2/3. You do 3 times 2 and 4 times 3, which is 6 over 12, which we know that can be reduced. The greatest common factor is 6. So you're going to divide the top and the bottom by 6 because that's the GCF. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 1/2 is my final answer. My next problem is 24 times 5, 6. Since it's a whole number, I have to put it over 1. 24 times 5, I couldn't do that in my head, so I had to write out the multiplication problem. 5 times 4 is 20, so I carry my 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So right there I have 120, but I can't forget about my denominators. So I have 120 over 1 times 6, which is 6. And that can be simplified by 6. So I'm going to do some long division. 120 divided by 6. 6 fits into 12 2 times. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So I pull out that other 0, put it right up there. My final answer is 20. And then the last problem I'm going to do today is 32 times 3/8. 32 is a whole number, so I put it over 1. 32 times 3. I knew that one. That one's 96. 1 times 8 is just 8. Now I need to long divide again. How many times does 8 fit into 9? Just one time. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down my 6. How many times does 8 fit into 16? 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. There's no remainders. My final answer is just 12.